and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a few products from Huda Beauty, mainly the palettes she came out with about a month or two ago, these little 9-pan Obsessions palettes. And I have never tried Huda Beauty products before, so I ordered a few from Sephora, and so I just kind of want to talk about them today and kind of film a little mini tutorial for you guys. For this little palette here, that's what I'm wearing on my eyes today, and at first I went in with this Mauve transition shade, and it is absolutely beautiful and it blends really well, so I absolutely loved it. So first I started by blending this all in the crease. I just started really low and then I kind of blended it upwards. And then from there, the next thing I did was I went in with this top purple shade, and I just popped that right onto the corners and a little bit into the inner corner just to create this halo smoky effect. And from there, I just blended it out a ton. And one of the brushes I used to blend all that out with is actually this Crown. I don't know if you can see that. It's this Crown blending brush, but it has this tapered effect on the top to where the bristles are very thin and then it gets thicker at the bottom. But it's a C429, and this brush is amazing because it's kind of like a stippling brush that you use all over your face. But for this one, I use this to blend out. Sometimes whenever I use a regular fluffy brush and I go in with, say, their transition shade to just blend everything out, I found that it can be too harsh and it just doesn't look blended, so it just does a beautiful job. I love it, and I've never seen another brush like this. So like I said, this is from Crown Brush. Their brushes are phenomenal. So the next thing I did is I popped this shimmer color all over the center of my lid using a MAC 242. I spritzed it with a little bit of Fix Plus, but I found that I actually liked applying it a little more with my fingers, so I went in with that as well. From there, I popped on some Huda Beauty lashes. This is in the style Farrah number 12. These are, as you can see, honey, they are dramatic, but I love them. I usually don't wear dramatic lashes at all, but I am really feeling myself in these, if you know what I'm saying. So, and I also use the Huda Beauty glue to apply these lashes, and I love this glue, y'all. I do mainly work weddings, and for years I've used the duo glue, and for some reason it just takes forever to dry. So I'm sitting there with a bridesmaid in my chair, bride, and I'm waiting like 5 minutes, not really 5 minutes, but forever it seems for this glue to dry. But this stuff, I can literally throw it on, and within a few seconds it is tacky enough for me to apply my lashes and just put them on there, wait for it to dry down completely, and it's good. It doesn't move. They stay on very well. Sometimes it does pull my lashes out whenever I go to remove my lashes at the end of the day, but I just have to be careful to not apply as much glue. And if I do that, if I just apply a thin amount, it's good, it stays, and then it doesn't pull out my lashes. So I love that stuff. So from there, I went ahead and lined my lips using this Super Longwear Matte Lip Pencil from Huda Beauty. These are phenomenal. This is my first one I bought from Huda Beauty, and they are so creamy. For me, I feel like my MAC liners, they dry out very easily, and I have to continuously sharpen them whenever I'm doing makeup on clients or on myself, just because they do get kind of dry. But this is so creamy. I haven't even sharpened it. You can see it's very dull, but I've used this a few times, and what I love to do is I like to line my lips, and I like to fill my lips in with the lip liner as well. Just, I feel like it makes my lip color stay on way longer. It was like applying another liquid lip to a very comfortable moisturizing liquid lip to my lips. So I absolutely love that. And so from there, I put on this Huda Beauty Liquid Matte lipstick, and I got the little contour kit. This all came in a little set. It came with 2 shades, a lighter one and a darker one. I don't know oh, here they are. Where are they? Yes, Trendsetter and Bombshell, and then the lip liner is in the shade Trendsetter. And I used the lighter shade today just because I felt like my eyes were just kind of bold. I just wanted to use the lighter shade. I didn't contour my lips at all. I just put on the one shade, but these apply very well. When you first apply them, they're very liquidy, and you have to wait for them to dry down, but once they do not move. They are phenomenal. I've worn these a few times. I wore them on New Year's Eve to a little party my husband and I went to, and I was drinking, I was eating, I was talking a ton. Of course, me talking. But anyway, so they stayed all night and I didn't have to reapply once. Anyway, that's it for this little mini tutorial review for Huda Beauty. I really do love all the products that I've bought. These shadows blend like a dream. This is my first time ever trying Huda Beauty shadows, and I kind of wanted to try this because it was a cheaper option. They're only $27 at Sephora, and I wanted to try these before I went and bought one of her larger palettes. I'm a believer in her shadows now. I think the price point is pretty fair for how well these shadows blend, and I didn't have a lot of fallout, so they're really good and I definitely recommend these. So this is it for this little mini tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future content. I love you guys. I hope you have a wonderful week and God bless.